So the social media managers of General Muhoozi refused to sleep last night. Started at midnight. For me, I was awake, but I couldn't publish all this. I knew more were coming in the morning. So they started by saying, I'm going to give only one warning to all white mercenaries operating in Eastern DRC. From 2nd January 2025, we will attack all mercenaries in our area of operation. Straight. This guy is very segregative in his words. I think it is a cryptic message from his social media managers and the strategists, the content strategists. And then also, our dear CDF went ahead to say, the Bazungu, still meaning the whites, the Bazungu better leave DRC before 2nd January 2025. After that, we will attack them everywhere we find. So, things are not easy. Muhoozi bombarding people again. And then, Muhoozi again took another missile. He said, in the name of Jesus Christ, the God of all Bachwizi, there shall not be left one white machinery in DRC this time next year. The guy is swearing in the name of Bachwizi's God. And then, I think he grew up as a child reading the mythical gods of the Bachwizian history. And then also, he went ahead to say, Bobi is an imbecile, an elf half-wit who will be heartily demolished in the next election. Straight to Muhoozi. Let me remind you that this is not a news. This is a blog. So if I laugh like this, don't mind. He's saying that he's going to destroy, that they're going to demolish Bobi Wine in the next election. And then he also he posted a picture of Mpuuga, who has slipped favoring NRM already. Say this gentleman is presidential material. He is an impressive politician. Can this guy come in and stand before a crowd of Northern Uganda to contest? I think he would go back running. And then, lastly, he said, Bobi tries to pretend that he is Bob Marley's successor. First of all, Bob Marley sang legendary music. Bob Marley was a handsome Munyankore whose teeth were organized. Bobi's teeth are very disorganized. Straight away insulted this guy and say the guy is not handsome, the guy is not Munyankore. He's claiming Bob Marley is a Munyankore. Bob Marley, born of ancestry of Zimbabwe, and the level of respect I give to Bob Marley, I give it to nobody. So neither statement is true, no. It comes even close to being Bob Marley. So yeah, that is all for our dear CDF General Muhoozi Kainerugaba. The guy sends missile via tweets.